Hi, welcome back to MalakiLab. Today I wanted to try a new camera setup, and there's something I need to do for a long time. It's the scooter takedown, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to sell it or take it down. So I will just tear apart the parts and repurpose it for well, you will probably see in the near future uh, what I will do with it. I have many ideas, but there's one standing, and I can't just not do it. So it's the primary idea. It's I gotta tell, it's an electric scooter. There's a motor hub, regenerative brakes. It might give you a hint of what I want to do with it, but for now we will just strip the plastic and make a support to have it more portable and shorter too. I want to make it shorter and like less likely to break. So there you go. I'm downloading the video. It's coming. I have it here while the phone is charging because I don't have much autonomy. But there you go. It's coming.
Yeehaw. Like Geräusch.
good. Next part with the wheel, but I will need something to screw it on. I'll probably do something in maybe wood at first if I don't put my weight on it. Should be able to stand it. I will need to get it locked. That's about it for today.